This is an example of the lock you purchased with us from the Academy. When you open the box, you will find inside your lock as well as a very important piece of paper that you will need the information from. Looking at that piece of paper, you'll see this middle row of numbers. These numbers also appear on the back of your lock in the middle. That is the ID number for your specific lock. When you signed our book, it contained that number next to your name. That is a way for us to verify that that is your lock and it has your combination on it. Next, this person's combination starts with the number 24, so their first number in their combination is 24. The second number is 6, and the third number is 12. So we're going to use those numbers to demonstrate how to open this person's lock. So you're going to start by looking at your lock, and we have to unscramble the lock, so we're going to start by turning the lock several times, 2 or 3, to the right. And then I'm going to stop on the first number, which in this case was number 24. Next, I have to turn my lock to the left, passing my first number. So I continue going left. See, I'm going to watch number 24 go by. And I'm going to continue to my second number, which was 6. Then I'm going to go to my right, directly to my third number, and I am going to pull on the latch.